na isinasama mo raw ata sa target shooting sa firing range, yung pamangkin mo?
I only bring him once,
You brought him just once.
just once.
Bakit? Anong reason? Ba't nyo siya dinala sa firing range para turuan na mag-firing? Anong dahilan?
He usually told me that he wanted to be a police officer like me. He looked up on me. Yun po, he wanted to be a police officer and he was asking if I could bring him sa firing range.
Pero alam niyo po na hindi dapat dahil siya po ay minor, he's not supposed to be inside a firing range.
Sergeant, pakisagot sa tanong ni Senator Raffy.
Um, based Wala po akong, I have no personal knowledge na may prohibition po.
Staff Sergeant, excuse me, Senator Raffy, nanumpa po kayo kanina at kayo po ay kawani ng Philippine National Police, ang pangunahing law enforcement institution ng ating bansa. Pakisagot ng makatotohanan sa tanong ni Senator Raffy.
Ano po ulit ang
Hindi nyo ba alam na hindi dapat makakapasok sa firing range ang isang menor de edad?
Hindi po.